Hey everybody. Hi.
Hi.
I was thinking it's super important that we have some guests from the Bronx on season 2 of Street You Grew Up On. What do you think?
Kerry, we have those names listed. Check the Google sheet.
Really? Let's see. Oh, this is great. Google Workspace has it handled. I love it.
We should add a question about people's cars on this season.
We do. Check the Google Doc.
Oh, Google Workspace has it handled. You know what? For season 2, I feel like the set should have a comfy, cozy, chill kind of vibe.
You need this. Turn to the Google slide.
Oh, Google Workspace has it handled. Thanks, Dad.
You got it, kid.